So I was trying to hook up my boy Mickey, and this stupid little bulb right here, see it? It's so stupid because it just didn't want to work on the RX7. But I got it to work by replacing it with a different one that I just concocted. Stupid bulb! All right, I think I messed up. I think I twisted a bulb trying to put it in the wrong socket. Yikes.
You messed up.
Anyway, I messed up.
You better not have broke my taillight.
It's gotta be me. I'm gonna have to replace the whole car now.
I think we need to get Calvin out here.
New RX7 project.
Calvin's
way better at electronics than me. What's up guys, I'm Chris and you are at FlyRyde, where you're gonna learn all about the what, how, and why of custom automotive lighting. And in this case, we won't be here, we'll be in San Diego, so let's just go right now. Two cars I needed to see. Moment of truth. Oh, yeah. So that one's out, but clearly that one's brighter than you've ever seen it, right? Girly drink. Check. Super bright reverse light.
What happened to the other one? You broke the other one. Come on, guy. What is this?
I'm still learning. Mickey, do you want to turn it on again just for a sec before I put the thing back in to see if there's a voltage issue or anything on this bulb, or if it was just my dumbass put it in? We are good, sir. Good, good, good. Yep, and then if you, oh, that's actually cool. You probably need ignition to get brake.
For the record, I'm done trying to make y'all comfortable. For the record, you ain't trying to grow, then it's done for you. For the record, lab on me going all the way. For the record, ain't trying to link, no time to waste. For the record.
All right, let's just put it in for now with only 3 of 4 brake lights and 4 of 4 dope running lights. It's better than it was. So these ones slide in, that one pops in?
Nah.
Or do we just have to slide them all in?
And just slide them all in.
Got it.
Snake eyes with dice for y'all, shoulders on ice for y'all. Frozen.
Unfortunately, for a customer installed part, it's something that's not like super labor intensive. Pair of pliers.
Oh, new bushing.
On record, off record, I still want to act, not the ghost. Running through it with the young influence, adolescent presence, also coming to it. I've been giving yeses when I shouldn't do it. I complete ejected, but the moves elusive, and I'm barely moving, but I'm still gon' boost them. I can't work on winnings when I know you're losing, so I work the winners and they play with deuces. Guess I have to pivot, shooting their bazookas for the backs.
Calvin to the rescue. So you can normally just wedge something in the brake pedal, but Calvin will help. Yeah, buddy. All right, I'm just gonna test to see what, oh wait, stuff off the brake and back on? That's crazy. I didn't realize that this factory brake light actually has incandescent bulbs. It doesn't have LED at all. So I was gonna put the third brake light on there too, but I'm not, because there's no LED in it, and I don't have any of those LED bulbs on me, so next time. But for now, we just gotta run this other wire over to the passenger side. So we'll start over here on the driver's side and route it over to the passenger, like so. Ooh, and I can actually route it clean by going under this and over here. Oh, even better. Always route wires as clean as you can possibly make them. Cool. Now, normally I wouldn't do this, but because it's Mickey and Mickey's kind of got his own little slogan about Mickey spec, I'm gonna cut and just get rid of this excess wire because we don't need it. And I'm sure Mickey doesn't want it. Okay, so it's done, but I do need somebody to step on the brake, and then I'll start messing with programming. I'll probably only put something like 2 or 3 flashes on this one, because that'll just be kind of discreet, but it'll still have the cool effect, especially if people are like texting and driving and they see that triple flash. Should keep this car safer. No more of this stuff, no more of that. You don't want any more little issues here. What I will do though is I'll make the switches and the program button available so Mickey can change this at any time if he wants. So all I'm gonna do is just undo the little twist ties that are on there, and then I'll just make it so that those switches are a lot easier to get to. All right, that was perfect. The XK Glow Box actually was the exact length that I needed to wedge on the brakes. So you can see they are on, and I could program them now. So let's give Mickey a cool little program. I'll mess around with it, and I don't know. I think I'll just do 2 flashes, but we'll mess around with it first. I am going to hook it up right now so that he has an easier time modifying it in the future if he likes it. 2 flashes is where it's set to. Well boys, it is cold balls here in Beaumont, California at FlyRyde, but the other day in San Diego, it was not bad at all. We put the brake flasher kit on the Bad Apple, came out awesome. Big thanks to Mickey and the guys at Throtl. Just like always, if you haven't already, subscribe to the channel, hit that like button, and hit the bell notification icon so you don't miss the latest uploads.